Hey, everybody. If you are disappointed in the results of the US election, I hope that you will take a few minutes to listen to what I have to say here. So I know that there has been so much attention paid to this US election because it not only affects us as US citizens, but it affects everyone in the world. And so I know that this is a big bite to chew and to swallow, these election results. And I'm turning my thoughts back to my post on my social media channels yesterday, about how it is time when we all need to step up into our leadership. The way that I see it is that, energy, it moves in waves. There's the yin and the yang. And when something goes to an extreme, then it naturally evokes and calls forth the opposite. And so what I am asking for all of us who are living in a heart-based way, everyone who is serving as a light worker in this world, I'm asking for all of us to open in a much greater way in response to this energy that has risen in the US. Allow the natural balancing energy to arise within you. I'm asking you to actually open and to allow what is evoked in you to open up, that deeper compassion, that deeper love, that deeper power to be able to bring light into this world. It was always there, laying dormant, and now is the time when I am asking you to surrender and allow your light to come forth. Allow your voice to open and speaking in the melody of love, in the song of joy. And this could also be a really good time to bring out your connection with the violet flame, to clear energetically anything within you that is blocking the light from coming forth, and bringing the violet flame under the law of grace to be clearing what can be cleared now in the world, and allowing a much deeper level of healing to happen. Because this election wouldn't have gone this way if there wasn't significant trauma in the US. And I doubt that it's just in the US. So this is really the signal. It's like a flag that is raising for all of us, that it's time to step truly into our power and to bring deeper love, deeper healing, deeper light, brighter light into this world. So it's possible that this is good news for all of us, because now we are all called to step up into taking our seats as the leaders, as the light workers of this world. So I hope that you will really take what I'm saying into your heart. And I hope that you will show up so much more brilliantly and delightfully and cheerfully and powerfully and lovingly in your world moving forward from today. So I always welcome hearing from you, so please do feel free to respond. I love how my community really reflects back different aspects, and I love how we are growing light together. So I always welcome hearing from you. Thank you for taking a few minutes to listen to me today.